Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to work Gemini AI only way. Open the Gemini interface and sign in, then pick a model and set response length and creativity. Start by writing a concise prompt that states the task, tone, and format. Add an example to guide output if necessary, and iterate by refining prompts and settings until results match your needs. Save successful prompts to reuse later. Start prompts with a direct command and specify the exact output you need, like list, summary, or email. Add constraints such as word count, tone, and required headings to shape responses. Use examples or sample data to demonstrate the desired structure and style. If the output is off, tweak phrasing or add clarifying instructions and rerun until the answer fits your goal comfortably. If you are finding this content helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, makes tidying up effortless and frees time to build better prompts. It pairs nicely with focused workflows and smart home routines for hands-free convenience. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Adjust temperature and creativity to control how adventurous responses become, lowering values for factual tasks and raising them for brainstorming. Break complex jobs into smaller steps and use chain prompts to guide the model through the workflow. Save successful prompt chains and compare outputs from different models or settings to learn what works best. Keep iterations short and focused for faster improvement and clearer results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.